Hello everyone. In previous lecture we started the lesson where does water come from and what we learned, which water we use for daily, that all water we get from the rain. Now we'll start the remaining part. Now we'll see the sources of water. Now see the children, there are two types of sources, man-made sources and naturally made. Now what is mean by man-made? Now see here, wells and hand pump, dam, these are the man-made sources example, and the lakes, river, ocean, seas, these are the naturally made. The people never made the ocean, seas, rivers. Understood students? Means there are two types of water sources, man-made and natural sources. Now we'll see how is river form and how does it flow. Now see here, rain also falls on high place like mountains. Now see your picture, upside the rain falls and the water flows down the hill, means all the water flows down the hill and it flows down the mountains and plateaus, through valley and over the plain. So this way the river can flow. Now students, do you know water bodies? What are the water bodies? Where the water stored. Where the water stored, that are the water bodies. For example, you have to see here, which are the water bodies? Yes, streams, reservoir, springs, rivers, lakes, oceans. These are the example of water bodies. Do you know there are the landforms? But what are the landforms? How it's made? Yes, due to the high and low level of land at different places, land gets different form, means different places the different land form. For example, see here, mountains, hills, yes, plains, valleys, peaks, desert. These are the example of land forms. Children, have you seen the springs? Can you think where a spring comes from? No? Then you have to see your picture. Yes, you have to see here, there are the mountains, there are the rains. Now, how the spring come out? Yes, when the rainwater seeps into the ground, it seeps deep into the ground through cracks in the soil and the rocks. It seeps means it get into the ground. So even under the ground, it flows from a higher level to a lower level. Means it flows from upside to the downside. So this groundwater comes out of the ground in some places, and this is we call a spring. Now you have to see the picture. Through the cracks, how the water come out? Means when the soil cracks, from that cracks the waters come out. Now you have to see the picture. Here is a rock. So through the rock the water flows. It means through the rocks the springs come out. Now children, see here, there are two places, Cherrapunji and Mohsin Ram. Here the highest rainfall in the world, but when the summer season will come, that time there is a shortage of water. The same thing occurs in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. Why it happened? Why they face the water problem in summer? Because they never store the rain water. If they starting store the rainwater, the problem can easily solve. Now student, do you know in our house how the water come? Yes, you will say through the tap, but to the tap, who will supply the water? Yes, through the pipeline we get the water. Means pipeline are used to carry water from distance like wells, lakes and water tanks to our homes. In some areas, the water is also supplied through the tankers. Now we'll saw in summer season there was a lack of water. So through the water tank we can supply the water in that area. Now children understood how the water come from? So what we learnt in this lesson? We learnt all the water we get in rainwater, rivers, lakes and springs are all formed because of the rain. Yes, and rivers start in high places like mountains and it flows down the hill, and it is necessary to collect the rain water. So student understood where does water come from? You have to revise the video and read the lesson.